So
right.
I hope you're not combining some meal here.
So I am doing a combination of a pie and a frittata.
You see?
So
You see?
pie tata. I do that pie tata. I just came up with that.
I rather potato.
You know potato. You see what?
Potato.
So I'm going with potato. That is the name of the dish tonight. A potato. So, and it's a pepperoni and potato potato. It makes it even better.
A pepper potato.
A pepper potato. So, I'm just going to grate. This is a potato. And with this potato, I am just going to grate. I just want to show folks that I'm grating this potato.
You're great at grating.
So this potato is going to be grated and look something like this. Now, I never knew. It's only when I started grating potato, I recognized how much liquid potato has. A lot of liquid. It's literally wet. So you want to grate one potato for this potato and squeeze it in a cheesecloth and get it a little dry.
Also, you had to dry out the potato?
You had to dry out the potato for the dish to come out properly. You had to dry the potato out. So this is my dried potato that's grated. I have that there. Once that's there, I have started to heat my pan. Why my pan is heating? Talk about the music, because from the time I heard Big Bumper, I say, hey, is Big Bumper the name is?
Nah, she's called Hoope.
What is it called?
Hoope.
Who pay? So
Yes.
yeah, who pay for that Big Bumper?
Who pay for that Bam Bam Day?
Who pay for that Bamba Day? Tell me about the song. I mean, that song seems to be so you.
What does it say? It's just a little ditty.
A ditty.
It's a ditty. Thankfully, I got the chance to work with Salty, Cool Blaze, Jason Gilbert, Scotch Bonnet, and I just wanted a ditty, something fun, like my music is a reflection of me and my personality.
Right.
So I don't read, as I keep saying, I write songs to tell the stories of myself and my peers, right? And that's just an experience. I met somebody, I said, who pay for the Bam Bam? The person was, I pay for my boomsy. I didn't pay for no boomsy. Things like that's why the end of the song I say, but you see, she didn't pay. Because she really didn't pay.
Right.
It's just humongous. You understand? So I just wrote about that and talk like... It's really not an amazing story.
And interesting, when you set aside and you're looking ahead to 2021 already and planning, are you planning, okay, I need a little ditty,
no,
but I need a jam song, I need a party song?
No,
That's not, how do you plan?
That is the business strategy of other entertainers. We at Sekon Sta,
yeah,
we as an entity, we do really subscribe to you have to get a party song, or through the way we think. I feel as though like we are enjoyable people, we are fun, and when we put out a song, it'll just be what it is. People will have fun and they will place it where they want to place it, party song, whatever. We don't take time to do that.
And that's a typical example of Waste Man.
A Waste Man.
Waste Man is just a...
I did not expect that.
You didn't expect that? You didn't expect
No.
Yeah. It's just a vibe, it's a real story kind of thing. And
It's a story.
it's a story.
It's a story.
And your writing and your presentation of music. I think you said something that you grew up around the old school.
The storytellers.
The storytellers. Your music and your writing, and you write your own music.
Generally.
Generally, you write
Like,
your music.
like 99.99.
And your music, if people listen to your music, as sweet as it is, as much as you jump up and party, there's a serious story behind most of your songs.
Most of the times there's a story, I might say serious, but there's always a very important for me to tell the story.
Some of it, Waste Man could get serious.
Yes, Waste Man is me. Remember, a Calypsonian's duty is to reflect to the society what is there.
Yeah.
It's like your mirror.
Yeah.
So, when I sang Waste Man, I sang it because a lot of women call men waste man, and a lot of time the men don't deserve to be called a waste man.
Yeah.
The man clearly states what the situation is up front, and I did not expect women to like it so much.
Yeah.
But apparently,
Yeah. But you defend the fellas.
No, that's what it is. Because I wrote it in from two vantage points. I would like to state here, Nyla's song, Sweet and Loco, is absolutely unrelated to me.
Right.
But I feel as though like in other cultures, like if a woman comes out and says, we doing this and we do that, generally a response comes from a male entertainer who will take the side of the men.
Yeah.
So that's why I did. And I didn't expect it to
blow up that way.
Yeah, I didn't expect it to blow
All
up
right, let
that
me tell
way.
people what I'm doing here quickly, Sekon Sta. So I have some onions that I have in a very nice, neat cast iron pan.
Right.
This is a special kind of frying pan. This is not an ordinary frying pan. This is a cast iron pan. Onions, and I have some pimento peppers that I am sauteing up, and I am adding some Great Foods pepperoni. So
Great Foods.
Great Foods is the brand I have been using their sliced products for the entire season, and it really has kind of encouraged me to get creative using your normal ham and pepperoni and salami. It kind of pushed me to get creative with the dishes. So I really just have here simple onions, pimento peppers, and some pepperoni from Great Foods. Once that is kind of just all, I just really wanted to saute up. What I just want to do is probably add a little salt and a little pepper here.
That's a little salt?
That's a little salt, that's a little salt. And you mind a little spice?
I'll pretend on camera.
Don't ball on camera.
Yeah.
Once that comes together nicely,
this man put all the pepper
I just want to take this and add it straight into the shredded potato mixture that I told you about. Yeah?
Yes.
Get that there. And I just want to mix
Smelling
that
good
together.
though.
Smells good.
Smells good.
So
I thought you was making an omelette, you know?
You thought it was an omelette. And I could have done an omelette, but it's about getting creative with the ham and the salami and thing, and not just doing an omelette with ham. Yeah, it's about getting creative. So I have some potatoes in here, and I really just mix together this nicely. And I want to get it back in the pot now. So I'm getting it back. I'm taking it off the fire because the pan is nice and hot.
Please forgive my Trini skepticism right now.
Your skepticism? So it goes back in here, guys. And then I flatten it out. I flatten it to the base of the pan. I salt and pepper, 2 eggs.
This man putting salt like it.
Trust. No, trust. You gotta trust the fingers. You gotta trust the fingers.
Jesus Christ.
You see when you trust your writing process? You gotta trust the fingers. And you beat 2 eggs. You beat 2 eggs, and 2 eggs goes straight over this guy.
This is interesting. So this is not an omelette?
This is not an omelette. This is a patata.
A pepper patata.
A pepperoni patata.
Okay.
Potato pepperoni frittata.
Okay.
Renamed by Sekon Sta, a pepperoni patata. You just allow this to set.
To kusume.
Now what a frittata is really baked eggs. So with this, you put this in the oven.
Oh.
And allow it to bake and set for just about 10 minutes or so.
All right.
You're looking worried. Why are you looking worried so?
Because I went to good school now.
Yeah.
My mother. And your thing clearly says I am not a chef.
Yes.
So this is like me eating that is like a saying it is poisonous.
But second,
I'm not, you know,
second,
anything I miss.
But second, you come on my show and you eat from already, do and you lick your lips. What you do? Second, come on my show, lick your lips and leave and say, Joe, thanks, this was good. So what I do second is I follow recipes.
Okay.
I read recipes, follow recipes, and put my own twist on it. So I have a little piece here that I want to serve you up.
Man, I plated and stuff, you know. What is this? The only thing I do is write my name.
Could I put Sekon Sta there, you know? Ladies and gentlemen, I didn't know what to call this dish. I knew it was a pepperoni potato frittata, and I really found that was sounding long. But when you have creative guys like Sekon Sta coming and being your celebrity taster, he came up with a pepperoni patata. And I think that's the name of that dish.
That's it.
That's it.
All right.
Taste, my brother. Enjoy. Let me get that mic from you so you can properly taste. Ladies and gentlemen, Sekon Sta.